Hi, this is Mike at Boatshed Grenada. Today on board a CSY 44 Walkover from 1977. You can see by the staysail boom, she's a cutter rig. Up to the bow there's a double anchor roller. Looking back, plenty of hatches with a couple of butterfly hatches covered. Looking at the centre cockpit now, with winches all round, so good rope handling, good line handling, and the cockpit table in place. Onto the stern deck, which underneath obviously is the stern cabin, solar panels on the stern, and a good area outside space.